I'm 16 on my mind, I hope you don't mind. I'm a poet with a deep mind, a deep dig that goes in deep into a chick similar to Abraham. So bring you a corner flip, heat and a 9mm. Whether it's hate or love, I'm gonna drop hat lines, hat rhymes with hat women. Hopping out the Tesla truck, feeling presidential like I don't give a fuck. And flying fuck, Lil Jets, nigga, the premiere, mega this, mega that. I'm a mega star, a mega hat. Your sun is bright, but like the English y'all slip brick. Another ruler, chasing a dream, tracing the more songs in hip-hop history. Then I Godzilla walk off in my crown, snakes on my throne, never. Lions and tigers, niggas in Paris. Hoodie Louis Vuitton, eating my lyrics. I dress exquisite, I like to write it. A creative genius, reality, how I bend it. Like steel, like women, like steel. The wind blow my heart on me. I need a real homie just to get to the top. For this BS, PS San Diego, a drug lord. I got a truckload coming your way right about now. You got enough clout, pure soul, a real dove. Now you know your destiny. It's a fork on the road, niggas in Paris. Oh God, I'm smart, I'm suave, thinking doing the math, I'm smooth, I'm Luke from the city. I hope they embrace me in every city. Female embrace wrapped around me with her legs, swimming in her lake. I got a mansion behind the lake, all white bricks. I cook with the platinum wrist and the pot and the mix. I smoke a lot of pot till the day that I rot. No complaints, cause I don't have a lot. A rolling stone, rolling and rolling on all these rocks and stones. A boot stretcher, cause hoes rolling and rolling. Walking, looking sexy, bitches in Paris. Love niggas and carrots, a bunch of colors. Red like cherries, strawberries and roses. They flawless, beautiful, even gorgeous. And that's how